What a great sound. So this is my BMW 525D 2-liter diesel N47D20D engine. That's with 160 kilowatts or 218 horsepower. Basically the inline-4 diesel with 2 turbos. That actually, yeah, spun a bearing for some time ago. As you can see, it has 338,000 kilometers on it. So yeah, that's basically the lifespan of these engines. Usually they don't survive much longer than that. I was just driving on a highway in cruise control when the bearing spun. That was very unexpected actually. So I just coasted home with the spun bearing because I knew the engine is done. You have to take it out anyway, rebuild it or replace. So I drove home around 30 kilometers. Otherwise, car is in very good shape. Has comfort seats, some options, you know, a very good car actually. I'm very satisfied with this as a family car, being a station wagon.